Alright, so here we have 5 units up on this little ledge here. I just climbed up here to this ledge. Here's an Air Temp, an American Standard Silver Series, a Carrier Comfort, a Rheem or Rude, and an American Standard Heritage or Allegiance. Here's an Air Temp. Logo's crooked. Fixed it. Air Temp probably has a has a cope and scroll. I'm waiting for a train over there to start up, like while I'm, doing this. I don't know if it's been running. 2012. This could be from 2012, and it's a 4-ton, or it could be actually that would be from 2008. 12th week of 2008. Never know. Here's an American Standard Silver Series. Light scroll. This thing, fan motor's been warm. Gentech fan motor, has a light scroll. 2018, 3.5 ton. Oh, this has definitely just been running. There's a Carrier, shut off not too long ago. This was a hacked one. Copeland scroll. Yeah, it's been running as well. Shut off, I saw it shut off. Yeah, it's been running. 2010, 3.5 ton. And here's a Rheem Classic running. The only one running. I think that's a Copeland Emerson scroll. Can't tell because it's running. That's a straight cool unit. I forgot to check these things for heat pumps. This one's a straight cool, this is straight cool, and straight cool. I think all these are just straight cools. Okay. This one's also straight cool. 2015, 3.5 ton. Very cool and sweaty. Protec motor. American Standard. Allegiance 11. Very fat, kind of tough. This hasn't been running. No, it has been running. 2004, 3.5 ton. So here are 5 units right here. Something's up with this thing. I'm not gonna mess with it. Can't really fix it too much. Yeah, I'm on this little elevated ledge right here. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna get all 5 of these things. Right here. Yeah, anyways. Thank you for watching, and over and out.